Let's start. The project name is Time Picker Dialog. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI first. Here we have an edit text, with set time as a hint. Let's see the code. Here we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the edit text. What we will do is, when the user clicks the edit text, we will show the time picker dialog. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. In the onCreate function, first we request the focus onto the edit text. If we don't request the focus on the edit text, the user has to click the edit text twice to open the time picker dialog. So this step is important. Next, when the user clicks the edit text, open time picker dialog function gets called. In this function, first we get an instance of the calendar. Then we fetch the current hour and minutes, and show them in the time picker dialog. Next, we create an object of time picker dialog. When the user selects the time, the onTimeSet function gets called. Next, if the user selects an hour or a minute which is less than 10, the time is not prefixed by a 0 by default. That's why we prefix the single-digit hour and minute by a 0 on our own. Then we set the selected time in the edit text. Here, the is24-hour view variable is set to false, that means it's a 12-hour clock. If the variable is set to true, the clock would be a 24-hour clock. At last, we set the title of the time picker dialog, and show it. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the edit text, the time picker dialog pops up. You can select AM/PM here. When I select a time and click OK, the same is displayed in the edit text. So that's it. That's how you can implement a time picker dialog in Java Android. Thanks for watching.